Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Crafting with Holly. With the holidays coming right around the corner, I wanted to spend some time talking to you guys about the Rustic Christmas Countdown Kit from Stampin' Up! And some of the ideas that I have for what you could put inside these adorable little advent calendar treat envelopes. So I'm going to drop you down onto my desk and let's get started. I have laid out for you on my desk every single one of the envelopes that I've already put together. And you can see right here all of the supplies that you need to make every single one of these 1 through 25 is in this package, and it comes in a great box, and even the clothespins are here for you and the string to tie these onto, which happens to look just like this, and I love it. It is such a beautiful rustic advent calendar. And the wonderful thing about it is there's only 4 patterns to follow, and this is pattern number 1. And the envelope is super easy to just crease. It's already glued together. You don't even have to do that. You're going to put these beautiful wreaths on top of each other. There's 2 different colors to layer. I used a dimensional to pop the wood, number 1, and then also the bow. And then I love the sequins. The red sequins absolutely makes this and makes it sparkle. And then voila, a perfect little York peppermint patty fits perfectly in here. And then all you're going to do is just lift that wreath up, fold over your envelope, and put your clothespin on there. I think I called it a paper clip earlier. It's a clothespin. Yes, it's a clothespin. And then you're just going to start stringing it along onto your twine. And I would just recommend that you use your thumb to just pull onto the twine, and it will kind of take all those kinks out of it. And then all you're going to do is just clasp that right onto there, and you are ready to keep stringing. So there is idea number 1. Idea number 2, because I have adult children, who doesn't love a gift card? So this one happens to be for the movie theater, but you could honestly do any type of gift card, right? To the people that are in your home. And then again, you're just going to take that twine, put it right there, and then put your clothespin on, and you're ready to go with the next one. Here is number 3. So this is the 3rd idea. So the first one is the wood grain with the wreath. The next one is just a banner with the holly berries and the holly leaves, which is perfect. And then the sequence is a nice added touch. I even love how beautiful the banner is, where it fits and nests perfectly right where that circle is for your envelope. Just the added touches that Stampin' Up! Did for these kits is just, it's just so sweet and well noted. And then this is the 3rd idea. It's mistletoe with some of the berries on it and some twine. I love that it goes right onto the clothespin. And so you're just going to mount your number right down below, and cash is always king in my house. So I know a $5 bill will buy my kids a coffee or a Starbucks, maybe part of a Starbucks, and part of maybe a lunch. So I like to add that in there. That's for the 3rd idea. And then the 4th idea is with the poinsettia. That's the 4th example. You're just going to put your number down here in the corner. The poinsettia goes right onto the clothespin. And then inside, I used some of the Memories and More cards for the Reindeer Days collection, because many of them are duplicated and you have tons of things for journaling and writing on. And I did an inspirational quote for my kids, and whoever gets this one, whoever opens this one is going to read this. And I just wrote, "This season, may you find peace in the quiet moments and happiness in the simplest of things. Love, Mom." Because I think sometimes the holidays we get a little overwhelmed and think that we have to do more than we are or that we can. And sometimes it's just those quiet moments and just being happy with the simplest of things, right? I guess that saying that we always have enough is relevant at this time of the year. So that is my fourth idea for what you could put inside here. I mean, the list could go on and on and on. And then you're going to basically repeat what you did for number 1, you're going to do for number 5. And this time I actually put the wreath on top of the clothespin. And I just think these make such a wonderful gift that you can not only give to someone, but that you can have in your home for years to come. And just cherish the holidays every year. You can change what you put inside these and kind of change it up a little bit. But I hope this gives you some ideas of what you can do for the countdown to Christmas. The Rustic Christmas Countdown Kit, and they are available. I'll drop the link down below. You've got plenty of time before December 1st to grab it and put it together. I hope this inspires you. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving week for those of you that are in the U.S. next week. I'm so grateful to all of you. Have a great day.